Hello everyone, today we're going to be making strawberry cheesecake pancakes. These pancakes give you that strawberry cheesecake flavor in a soft and fluffy pancake. It's topped with the cream cheese glaze and a homemade strawberry sauce. Now let's begin with the pancake batter. Combine 2.5 cups or 300 grams of flour. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now whisk together to combine. Now let's mix the wet ingredients. Separate 2 egg yolks from the egg whites. We're going to need them for later, so let's set them aside for now. In a separate bowl, combine the following ingredients: 2.5 cups or 20 ounces of milk, 8 tablespoons of melted butter. Now add the 2 egg yolks and whisk to combine. Yes, I know it's a lot of butter, but you're making pancakes. You want them to be buttery and flavorful. Add the wet mixture to the dry mixture and gently mix until just combined. I really want to emphasize to not over mix your batter. That will result in dense, flat pancakes. Now is the time to add the egg whites. We're adding the egg yolk and the egg whites separately to achieve a softer and lighter pancake. And again, fold the egg whites in until just combined. Let it rest for 15 to 30 minutes. Now let's make the cream cheese glaze. Mix together 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure the cream cheese and butter are at room temperature. It makes it easier to soften with a spatula. Once the cream cheese and butter are softened, you can add the 1 cup or 130 grams of powdered sugar and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Add milk 1 tablespoon at a time until you achieve desired consistency. I added about 3 tablespoons to get it to the consistency I liked. Once desired consistency is achieved, set aside. Let's make the strawberry sauce. Add 1 pint stemmed and chopped strawberries to a saucepan. 1/4 cup or 50 grams of sugar. Mix everything together until well combined. Heat over a medium flame and stir until mixture comes to a boil. Turn the heat down to a low simmer and stir occasionally for 15 minutes. Mix in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch slurry. Once the sauce has thickened up, remove from the heat. Now let's start making the pancakes. Over medium heat, melt a pat of butter on a griddle or a pan. Pour 1/4 cup or 55 grams of batter in batches. Place several pieces of strawberries on each pancake before flipping it. Cook for about a minute on each side. Stack as many pancakes as you desire. Drizzle with the cream cheese glaze. Drizzle as much as you'd like. I mean, I like a lot of cream cheese, so I went all over. Now top with the strawberry sauce. Add a few strawberries to give it that extra touch. And the best part, sprinkle with powdered sugar. This was absolutely delicious and I enjoyed every bite of it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.